Early civilizations. The earliest humans lived in jungles and hunted animals. And over the years, they started growing crops and living in cities. So, in this video, we are going to talk about the three earliest civilizations in the world. They came up in different parts of the world around 5000 years ago. The Mesopotamian civilization is the early civilization. One of the earliest civilizations came up in Mesopotamia. The Mesopotamian civilization came up between two rivers, Tigris and Euphrates River. The Mesopotamia lies in modern-day Iraq. City-states in Mesopotamia. Although all the cities share the same culture, each city had its own government, rulers, warriors, its own patron god, and functioned like an independent country. The Mesopotamian cities were Uruk, Kish, Lagash. At center of each city was the temple called ziggurat, a massive, tiered, pyramid-shaped structure. They built big buildings called ziggurats for God, and people worshipped many gods and goddesses there. Egyptian civilization. The Egyptian civilization is one of the most important civilization in the history. It came up along river Nile in Africa. Even today, Egypt is known as the gift of the Nile. The ancient Egyptians lived near the river Nile because the land was fertile there. As every year water from the Nile rose and flooded the area. When the water went back, it left mud which made the fields fertile. The Egyptians called their king a pharaoh. The pharaoh was all powerful. He passed laws, he ruled the country, he owned most of the land, he controlled trade and led the armies. The Egyptians believed that the pharaoh were their god. The Egyptians were great builders. Most buildings were built as rest places for kings after their death. The biggest tombs were the spectacular pyramids, which were built for Pharaoh. Such huge domed buildings are called pyramids. And the Great Pyramid of Giza is the largest pyramid in the world. It was built for Khufu. The Egyptians believed that there was life after death. They preserved the dead bodies of their kings. These dead bodies were called mummies. The Egyptians knew a lot about the human body. They could set broken bones. Chinese civilization. The Chinese civilization came up along river Huanghe. The king named Qin Shi Huangdi was a famous ruler. The priests, officers, and soldiers helped the king to rule. There were also farmers, traders, metal workers, weavers, potters, and carpenters. The Chinese wrote from top to bottom. They wrote on bamboo plates, animal bones, and on the silk clothes. Later, they began to write on paper. The Chinese were the first to produce silk clothes and invented the technique of printing. They were also the first to grow tea and invented various things like porcelain, which is a hard, shiny material used to make plates, cups, and jars. Not only this, the Chinese also invented the first paper money. All these civilizations tell us the story of progress made by humans over the years.